Medyo malayo pa siya.
So, welcome to the very first Davao City Heritage Photo Walk. So, just to give you a brief backgrounder sa ating project, ito po ang ating project ay tawag po Dabawenyo Ko. So, it has been going on since 2017. Dalawang parts po ang project na ito. One is school-based. Pupunta po ang mga tagal na kaibigan. I'm here to support their work. So when they told me that there's a photo heritage walk, there's a heritage walk. A heritage walk is different from the photo walk that you're used to. Kasi sa photo walk tayo, pag photo walk leader, dito lang mag-assemble, and then iiwan na kayo to shoot, no? Ang walk talaga ng heritage tour is to listen to the stories and then
Alright, mabuhay o madayaw? Mabuhay o madayaw? Ayan. When I say mabuhay, you say? Madayaw. And when I say madayaw, you say? Mabuhay. Ayan. So everyone, thank you very much, Gracie, and thank you so much, Mother Joji. No? Okay. Before anything else, allow me to introduce myself. My name is Olan, some of you. Not from Davao. I am a Dabawenyo since I am from Davao. Who among you here are not from Davao?
Ang ato ang guide Davao na tour guides. Thank you so much for really helping us deliver ato ang history sa ato ang mga Dabawenyos karon, no? Especially also makita ninyo ginagamit pa sa kana yung mga photos, no, kana ang ato ang gunit, kana ang manimo naton key for the future, for them to know na nag-exista and for them to know the rich history of Davao. So to our photographers and our friends, please continue making Davao beautiful through your lenses. So daghang salamat o happy araw ng Davao.
Thank you, Sir Will. So, Olan, once again, take it away.
Sweeper. Yeah, we will start na, guys. Our heritage walk. Kaya. So you can read, dito na yun sila kung saan galing ang nag-start ang Davao City. So hindi pala talaga siya Davao City before then. Mahit yung name.
Wala kayo. Wala. Arms forward.
Arms forward. Mga bata. Ano ba na? Matitigas kasi ang ulo namin. Spanish colonial system. Gaganda natin. Yan, heritage walk muna kami, guys. Para as Dabawenyos, kailangan din namin matutunan kung anong history. Makinig tayo. Kapagalitan kami. Ano daw? Papakita siya ng mga old photos.
Picton Street. Si Picton, originally from Caraga, Davao Oriental. Okay? Sige. Everyone, since photographers, okay, minaw sa tanan, minaw. Okay. I will lend you my photos. Pero please, ibalik sa amo after, ha? Okay ra? No? Kaya ang technique how to do it, can I have your phone, sir? Okay? It's just like this. And the present.
Ganyan. So, nasa street na. So, ito yung pinaka-alam.
Office of the city engineer, now, iguan siya, i-change siya to give you this building. But once upon a time, it is the original form at Museo Dabawenyo.
Yan. Punta ko sa Museo Dabawenyo. Yes.
Hindi sila nakato na ani.
Yeah.
Good. But before
Talagang hot namin, guys.
Museo
hangin today.
Was the court of first instance. Ladies and gentlemen, ito, ipuwag din siya ng sa inyo, ha?
So, this is Bonifacio.
Click. Gawin naman siya history.
Nawawala na guys. Bonifacio Monument
Everyone, eyes on me please, eyes on me. Okay. Sa panahon sa mga Amerikano, no? Nagbuhat sila o kaya ginatawag na ito karoon na rotonda. No? Or roundabout. Or dito pa sa Cotabato area, kasi tawag round ball. Round na ball pa. Kining Rizal Monument was used to be a roundabout also. But there were 3 roundabouts at the time. Rizal Park, Rizal Monument, Acacia, o dito sa may Uyanggo rin. Okay? Sige, follow me everyone.
So, this is the ano. Takbo tayo guys!
Dapat ay natay tali, no?
Oh my God, si Ate Karen nasaan na? Wala si Ate Karen! So, dapat dito tayo kanina nag-take ng photos.
Hello!
Mga naagan guys!
Yes, original na mga naagan.
Hi! Hi! Vlogger din siya guys. Yan.
Alright, okay. So we are here right on this area now. Right on this area here. Okay? So, this is Osmeña Park. Wala Osmeña Park, ha? Okay.
Kanina ko saan tayo galing guys na Osmeña Park.
Osmeña Park. Kana.
Yan. That is the original Osmeña Park.
Okay? Now, Joe Circle is actually a senator in the U.S. You know? I am your photographer today. No. Okay. I see.
Dito pala ako magdikit kay Manong Boy, kay marami siyang sagot.
Diretso ka din na ako. Diretso ka din na ako.
Yan. Papunta na kami na. Lapit na kami sa San Pedro Church. Mga 4 na Kuya Boy. Yes po. But the meet up is 3 p.m. Say hi to my vlog. Oh.
Hello, hi!
Hi, Manong Boy. Ayan, di ko na siya starboy. She's taking pictures na.
Mga CSU pa, ano lang ako, pag-play na lang ako sa atong participants. Okay, everyone, please be here. Okay. Tanawan ninyo, tanan. Okay, tanawa ang Claveria Street. Tanawan ninyo ang Claveria Street. Very limpyo kayo. Nang dumating ang mga hapon or during the hapon time, this is how Claveria looks like.
Oh, malikabok pa. Ngayon, sementaryo.
Yan.
Claveria
That's
Street
Claveria.
before.
Claveria, again, is named after Claveria, Narciso Claveria. Siya katong Governor General na nagpasa o Katoliko at Alphabetico de Apellidos. Okay? Mas gwapo na siya, sir, kung dili ka. Okay?
Go, Tay, go!
Okay.
That's the old Claveria Street.
Now,
Here na guys! San Pedro Church. Ayan, mag-explain sa Alan about San Pedro Church. Church. So, ayan. Right now, ginagawa siya. Inaayos muna siya for a while. So, yeah. Buti na lang talaga nag-rubber Double.
Regions! Nakadawag ka na, Sir Boy.
Naka-violet.
Sir Boy na naman ang gusto sumagot.
Nakabayan?
Nakabayan
Sige, sir.
na.
Ikaw na, sir.
Davao del Sur.
Very good. Perfect.
Wag!
Yes.
Hindi kasi kami may
So,
sumagot.
long before, long before,
Ayan.
no? Nagkaroon ng Davao Oriental del Norte del Sur, there was only one
One
Davao
Davao.
province. Ang tawag sa inya, the Davao province, no? It was only in 1967 when it was divided into three. When yung pagkauman, nanganak na po rin sa province, ang Davao del Norte, which is
Tagong na ba yan? Tagong.
Davao de Oro,
Davao
which
de
is sa Compostela Valley.
Oh, okay.
Displayed na po ng Davao del Sur. Nahimo nga?
Davao Occidental.
Ang center ni Ana is Davao City. Davao City is the only city in Davao region na dili apil sa probinsya. That's why ang mga taga Davao na batay governor wala.
Wala na, because you don't you're not province
dili ka under
anymore.
sa province. Okay, now, what pasabot, kini nga building, gibuhat ni siya because wala na siya ginagamit sa Kapitolyo. But many years back, no? It is the seat of the municipal hall. And later, provincial capital ang Ubos Municipal Hall. Noon siya ang
Gets.
municipal hall.
Oh, tao ba yan? Ang mga monument.
Yan yun, nipa pa ang gamit. And then, syempre, kay Widato naman ang Davao. So, kailangan natok na.
Oh, yung simento na tayo.
Level up tayo. Baba natin sa baba. Lume-level up tayo. So, ito na yung ating,
Oh,
okay,
yung pa-fountain.
Capitol Building of Davao. Okay. And, so everyone, Capitol Building of Davao. Okay? Sige, na lang tayo. Capitol Building of Davao. Capitol Building of Davao. This one. Okay, and then that one. Okay, now, please stay here. Let's gather against the Japanese Imperial Army happened here in Davao. The whole area, no, para i-liberate ta, maging free ta, ibomba na siya.
Oh, this
Ang
was...
uban fully destroyed. Ang uban in rubble. Ang uban ground zero. No?
So, binombahan pala to
Destroyed.
before?
Apil siya nga building. Apil na siya.
Nabombahan ko. So, bagong-bago na pala to.
This is how the Capitol looks like.
History class talaga to nangyari na to. So, it's nice. So, sa 21 and 22, may experience ito guys. So, join
Can
na.
you
Going to the church again. Ang mga nahuli. Nauho na kasi guys. So, water break. Ayan, we're entering San Pedro Church. May mass pala eh. Cathedral.
Bilang sa mga parisino ngayon, dining tauhan na diligikan sa Diyos, kaya wala siya magtamon sa adlaw sa ipapahulay. Buka-bukan lingkod.
So, mahangin today guys.
Ang mga makasasada, paghilong ini mga imanan. Kung nagkasumpa sila, usa, nilimunan sa sila sa mga. Kung sa iyo masunod, may mungod kanina na pagkukasa iyo mga mga. Kung sila ito mga.
It's been a while.
Meron sila. Kung nakatawag ang mga tinutanan ng inyong tao na nakakatagan, kung nakatawas sila sa Panginoon, inyo makiling anak niya ang imon ninyo buta sa pagkatawo, ganun makakitanunan, o BBI nila siya o silang ingon. Ikaw tinunan niya ng tawhana, Apan kami, mga pinunan ni Moises. Kami na ibalong ang Diyos na nagsulti ka Moises. Apan kinitawhan na wala kami mahibalong kundi insiyakikan. Ito ba ang tao? Bukong mo sa nila. Kaya kini mo sa kandagan sa ulo mo ba? Na wala kang mahibalong insiyakikan kung ibutan niya ang akong mga mata. Naibalong kita ang Diyos piling manginaw sa mga makasala.
May power pa bang aming tour guide? Kasi second batch na ito eh. May power ka pa? Wala na. Kaya so everybody just lighted the candle for health, protection, and everything na. Thank you, Lord. This is all because of you. Thank you so much. Thank you, Lord, for today. Thank you for today. Ang daming food here.
Mamaya kita natin.
So, ayan. Maling destination.
Crooked Road siguro, te. Ay, asan ba? Dito? Or dito?
Dun, te, di ba? Ay, oo nga. Okay. Very, nag-thrift.
Balik ka to dito. Nagbalik na sila. Oh my God, amoy busog mapango pag idapay.
Panadero.
So mali. Ito man matamang. And more cheese. Uy, ginapagod sa ulo.
Dito ako.
Asan ba? Parang ano ata, Roger yun. Parang magpahilot tayo doon.
Kapahirap na eh.
Hindi pa kasan. Wala ba itong chick ko?
Ate. Yes. Saan tayo later? Okay. This is an old street also, guys. Apas me. Oh, yeah. This one.
Picturean ba nila? Sulat ka pa.
Ang buliti, syempre. Actually, restaurant na siya ngayon, guys. Tola, and then bar naman sa baba, Huckleberry.
What we have right now are the American colonial time. Nagkakit tayo kung nakita kaya lang during the World War II, some of those houses were damaged and destroyed. Ibulihan ng pag-o. Maayon na lang, there are houses that were safe siya. No? And na-preserve ang iyang original na structure. One of those is the Obos House.
Bosses pala dati. Ngayon, it's Tola na, guys. Maganda, masarap yung merienda buffet nila, te. But it's not merienda time anymore, so hindi na namin siya ma-avail.
The resident of Mayor Alfonso Otoza. This was built
That's why
in 1929. Ang nag-construct ni Ani are Filipino and Japanese laborers because by 1929, nakarating niya ang mga hapon. Before naging mayor si Mayor Alfonso Otoza, he used to be the provincial district engineer. No? Very
One of the oldest houses here in the Baha. May restaurant na ngayon.
Meron pa tayong pub crawl, alala niyo?
Yes!
Pub crawl pa tayo. Sir Will, mag-pub crawl tayo. Kasi, kanang mahupuglit ka.
Kanang ugapang na lang mga besh. Pagapangin tayo ni Sir Will! Pub crawl, food crawl, coffee crawl, and literally crawling na lang tayo, guys.
Thank you.
Ang daming street food. Gutom na kami, guys. We're kinda hungry na sa mga nadadaanan, guys.
Parang hindi ako dumadaan dito ba?
Kaya natin, hindi ako makain dito pag dumadaan. Ay, dapat. Diri sa ta daw ta. Dito muna daw tayo, te. That's our city hall na. Ayan, guys. Here na at City Hall. So, dito yung last stop natin, Miss Crazy, no? So, yes, guys. Oh my God, the tuhod is giving. Talagang, the age is giving. Oh my gosh.
Correct, sinabi mo pa.
Lalayin namin yung line.
Mag-shota.
Tayo, show na tayo. Ayan na aming City Hall. Na bago.
Everybody, come on.
Ayan ang itsura niya dati, guys. Ngayon, ito na siya.
Like I mentioned earlier during our tour, the first site of the municipal hall was where the SB building is now. Kaya lang, there is a need that it transfer siya because it is sharing with the Capitol building. So that's why in 1926, this building was constructed. No? It was designed by Juan Arellano. No, Juan Arellano is the same architect who designed the Cebu Capitol building, and then some of them ang Negros, no, Capitol building, and then some of the buildings in Manila, no. Pero ang nag-construct ni ini are actually Chinese, no, na construction company. Tan City, no, ang nag-construct niya. Now, okay, this is the picture of the City Hall of Davao when it was constructed in 1926. No? Okay, and the picture of City Hall of Davao, no, before the war. Okay. Now, in 1936, there was the need, no, to make Davao a chartered city. So, President Manuel Quezon signed the Commonwealth Act number 51, no? That's why ipangalan niya park in his name because he was the one who signed the Charter City of Davao on October 16, 1936. And on March 1, 1937, no? Okay? Elpidio Quirino came here, no, to inaugurate the city charterhood or the charter cityhood of Davao City. So kana siya. Alright? So, now, like katong nahita po sa San Pedro o sa atong Capitol building, no? Our City Hall was not spared from the bombing, no? In fact, this is the picture of the whole downtown area, no? Picture of the downtown area when it was, no, during the liberation, no? Okay. Look at the downtown area, San Pedro area. Okay? It was devastated. Kabilang na itong City Hall of Davao, no? Maayo na lang ang iyang facade, no, was spared. Okay. San Pedro after the World War II. Okay? And then, another photo of San Pedro after the World War II. And then, the city government, no, reconstructed it because like I said nga kanina, no, siguro kita naman the Buenos, we inherit our resiliency, no, ang pagiging matapang natin sa mga nauna sa atin ng mga Buenos. So the reconstruction was started in 1945, right after the war. It took them 2 years to rebuild the building. So ladies and gentlemen, this is the 1947 reconstructed building of the City Hall that was not naman super duper, totally destroyed, partly damaged during the World War II. That column, no, which is a Doric column, no? Doric column na siya. Design kaya po ng Arellano, no? Has stood there for 100 years. And if these columns, if these pillars can talk, they will tell you the stories more than I do. Kay in-ani lang kagamay ang akong historical things kana share sa inyo ha, compared aning duha nga silent witness of what was Davao City before and what Davao City has become in 100 years. And so, I invite you everyone to go there. Hug. Di ba natin ginatawag na hug a tree? This time in Davao.
Hug a pillar.
Hug a pillar. Hug a column. Because you are hugging a piece of history in Davao City. And that, ladies and gentlemen, I end my Davao City Heritage Tour with the hope that what you learned today will, remain in your hearts. And the next time you come to Davao, you come to this place, you will tell yourself, that place plays a significant role in me as a Davaoan. Maraming salamat po. Mabuhay ug madayaw. Mabuhay ang mga Davaoenyo.
Mabuhay! Thank you!
So, picture support at by also tagging your post, no? The Gal Davao. My name is Olan Emboscada. I also am a monitor. Wow!
Email. Email kay